Welcome back to another Tears Sacrifice review. Today we're going to be reviewing this beautiful Russian wood carving entitled Grandpa/Grandma by the Etsy shop workshop Yasiniya, based in Moscow, Russia. The owner, Julia, has been carving for approximately 5 years, and her shop bio says her husband helps with everything to do with the shop. The work of the shop is mainly related to Slavic paganism, mummers, and ritual dolls. This is a small carving at just under 2.5 inches tall. When I first saw this product on Etsy, I was deeply moved by the heartwarming and charming wood carving, as it immediately reminded me of my parents. The product had the word Inseparable in the product description, which made me love it even more. This simple wood carving seemed to capture the essence of my parents' relationship, as they would often wear matching jackets and go walking hand in hand. My mom was very supportive and encouraging of the wood carvings I bought of the Norse gods, and loved hearing all the different European cities from which the wood carvings were made. Although my mom was Irish, I had a feeling that she would love this adorable Russian wood carving, especially given the theme of a couple completely devoted to each other. I ordered this product in mid-November, and at that time my biggest concern was whether or not it would arrive in time for Christmas, with no way to know of the dark days ahead. My mom fell ill in December, was hospitalized and released, and seemed to be doing well for a while, but then fell ill again in the beginning of January, and was hospitalized again with no visitors allowed, not even my father, due to COVID restrictions. We were able to get my mom released from the hospital and back home. She was so happy to be back home, surrounded by loved ones, and she was surrounded by family when she passed. This sweet wood carving ended up being the last gift I would ever give to my mother. My mom's last days were filled with gratitude and a love of life, and I know she appreciated this gift. If you want to commemorate a loving couple that you know, this carving would make an excellent gift. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Tears Sacrifice review.